Hi guys, welcome back to Cable Armor Auto Direct here at 40 Highway in Independence. Again, Gus here, happy to see you guys. I got a real treat for you, for all you Jeep enthusiasts and new Jeep owners. Look at this, Rubicon 2018. This thing is amazing. It does have my favorite 5-year unlimited mile powertrain warranty, fully loaded on the inside, 4-wheel drive. Look at that contrast, that red and black interior. Yeah, that pops out right there. Navigation, backup camera. So all the bells and whistles this thing has. So brand new tires on there. So look at that meat on those tires. Backspace on this, even for groceries, so you can let the wife borrow it. This is the JL edition. So LEDs on the front, LEDs on the back. So call me, please, so you can take a look at this. This is one piece that you have to be here to admire at 816-873-1293. I'll see you soon.